When preparing your garden for planting, the best rear tine tillers deliver unmatched power and efficiency. These heavy-duty machines break up tough soil effortlessly, ensuring deep cultivation, smoother beds, and healthier growth for your vegetables, flowers, or landscaping projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Toro 127 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller. The Toro 127 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller is a reliable option for homeowners and hobby gardeners who want a powerful machine without complicated controls. Its 127 cubic centimeters 4-cycle Briggs & Stratton engine delivers strong torque for breaking new ground, turning sod, or refreshing existing garden beds. One of its most useful features is the instant reverse function, which allows smooth maneuvering during operation. Instead of struggling with gear changes, users can quickly reverse direction when working in tight spaces or reaching the end of a row. The airless wheels add convenience by eliminating the risk of flat tires and reducing maintenance needs. The counter-rotating tines dig deeply into dense soil, while the forward-rotating mode produces a smoother finish that is ideal for preparing seedbeds. This dual tine capability makes the tiller flexible for different gardening tasks. With a sturdy build, easy handling, and dependable performance, the Toro 127 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller is a practical and efficient tool for regular garden preparation work. Number 2. SuperHandy 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller. The SuperHandy 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller is a powerful and versatile machine designed for residential gardeners and demanding soil preparation tasks. Its 7 HP 209 cubic centimeters OHV 4-stroke engine produces strong torque and steady power output, allowing users to break through compacted dirt, clay soil, or previously untilled ground with ease. The centrifugal friction clutch improves operational smoothness by reducing sudden jerks or jumps during operation. This feature makes the tiller easier to control, especially when working on uneven terrain or larger garden areas. One of its most useful advantages is the adjustable tilling width and depth, which allows users to customize performance depending on the size of the garden bed or planting space. The hardened steel tines are designed for durability and can handle repeated use in tough soil conditions. This tiller performs well for digging, cultivating, aerating, and maintaining healthy garden soil. With strong construction and reliable performance, the SuperHandy 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller is a dependable tool for regular garden preparation work. Number 3. Earthquake 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller. The Earthquake 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller is built for gardeners who want strong performance in a compact and manageable machine. Powered by a 209 cubic centimeters Viper engine, it delivers impressive sod-busting strength capable of breaking new ground and loosening dense soil effectively. Its compact frame improves maneuverability, allowing users to guide the tiller more easily than many larger machines. The counter-rotating tines work together with the self-propelled drive wheels to create opposing forces that increase digging performance and traction, especially in hard or previously untouched soil. Another helpful feature is the instant reverse function, which allows users to change direction quickly without complicated gear shifting. This makes navigating tight garden rows or corners much easier. The adjustable handlebars offer 3 height positions to improve comfort during extended use. With the ability to till up to 10 inches deep and 16 inches wide in a single pass, this tiller is ideal for establishing new gardens and maintaining existing planting areas. Number 4. YARDMAX 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller. The YARDMAX 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller combines strong power with thoughtful design features that make garden preparation easier and more efficient. Its 18-inch tilling width allows users to cover larger areas quickly, helping reduce the time required for soil preparation. The machine also includes 7 depth adjustments, providing flexibility for working with different soil conditions and gardening needs. With a working depth of 6.5 inches, it can effectively loosen soil for planting, aeration, and weed control. One of its standout features is the single-handed operation capability. This allows the user to guide the tiller from either side, making it easier to maintain straight rows and maneuver around obstacles. The 13-inch self-sharpening tines remain effective over time and reduce the need for frequent maintenance. A front counterweight improves balance and stability during operation, while the 13-inch pneumatic wheels provide better traction on uneven terrain. With its durable construction and practical design, the YARDMAX 209 cubic centimeters rear tine tiller offers reliable performance. Number 5. Pulsar 20-inch rear tine tiller. The Pulsar 20-inch rear tine tiller is a heavy-duty machine designed for gardeners who need strong power and wide soil coverage. Its 212 cubic centimeters OHV gasoline engine delivers reliable performance, allowing the tiller to break through compacted soil and loosen ground efficiently. The machine features four 13-inch counter-rotating tines that create a 20-inch tilling width and reach depths of up to 7 inches. This wide coverage helps users prepare large garden plots faster with fewer passes. The two-axis rotating handle improves maneuverability by allowing the operator to control the machine comfortably from different angles. Large 15.5-inch tractor-style wheels provide strong traction and stability on uneven soil. The Pulsar tiller also includes scarify and furrow modes that help gardeners break soil surfaces and create neat planting rows. With durable construction and dependable power, this tiller is a practical choice for gardeners who want efficient soil preparation. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.